Okay, class. Sorry I can't be there today. So what we're doing is we're just kind of exploring the skills that we're going to need for our Odita inspired piece that we'll be working on. And this is just for practice today. It's not something we have to make perfect. We're just checking it out. So the first thing we're gonna do is make a design with straight lines, maybe inspired by him, or maybe you have your own idea. And you're gonna do that by using your ruler and making diagonal lines. And they might be a little further up, a little more like this. You're gonna make some triangles, right? And you can make something like this. So that's the idea for the first square here. Once you have your supplies in front of you, the first thing I want you to do is get out a pencil and put your name and your class code, whatever that is, okay? I'm gonna put art for mine, but you need to put your grade level and then your teacher's first initial of her last name. So once you have your supplies, go ahead, grab a ruler, make a diagonal line, make another diagonal line. And if you're not liking how this is turning out, no problem. Go on over to this one and make a new design over here. And if you still don't like that, flip it over, do it on the back. So that's what I'd like you to do in the first box and or the second box. You're working until you have something that you like. If you are done and you're bored, you can start coloring in with the crayons your design however you want to on this top part. Okay, that's for you to do. Once you have a design that you like, you can take that time that other people are still working on theirs to color in your beautiful picture. For the third box, what I'd like you to do is every table is going to get one of these kind of things to check out. We're talking about triadic color scheme. A color scheme is a way to choose colors, and this is something you might want to use to help you with your mural piece that you're working on later. So we're just kind of learning about the color wheel and this little thing. Yours are going to have this attached, but I'm working from home today, so I don't have the special brads. So triadic color scheme is the first one. Triadic. And it's a triangle shape. So we already know two of our triadic color schemes. One is the primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. The other one is the secondary colors, violet or purple, orange, and green. But if you don't want either of those, you can start turning yours around. So it's pointing to the colors that you would use. So let's say I decided to do red, violet, blue, green, and yellow, orange, because I like those color combinations. Then I would get those crayons, and I would find, let's see here, and I would start coloring in this third square. Now I know that yours looks a little cuter. Again, I'm working from home, so I don't have all the correct supplies. But you would start checking those out. You would start coloring these in with those three colors that you choose. So once you decide what you want, you pass it on to the next person and they get to choose what they want. So you're starting to color in this picture with these three colors of whichever three you want. So it could be whatever three you choose. Okay, so that's what you're up to with this one. And then, and you can ask for help. The teacher will come around and see if you need anything, but you're choosing what three colors. We're just exploring a triadic color scheme. If we were to use this one, it has three colors that are equidistant from each other on the color wheel. The last one, if you get this far, is to use the split complementary. Complementary colors are ones that are directly across the color wheel from each other. So they're like violet and yellow, kind of like Vikings colors, or blue and orange, bears colors, or red and green, Christmas colors. Okay, they're right across from each other and they make each other look bright. So that is, instead of doing that though, that's only two colors, we're also looking at another one for split complementary. So it's pointing to red, and instead of green, it uses the two neighbor colors. So it would use yellow green and blue green, okay? Or let's say you decide to do yellow, then you would have blue violet and red violet. Those are the split complementary color schemes. So on this third one that you have the word split complementary on, you would then choose your colors that you wanted to use, and then you would you'd start coloring this in just to see if you like those colors together. Okay, that is your job, is you're exploring. It doesn't have to be perfect, you're just checking it out. And if you wanted to do your own choice of colors, you're doing that up here. All right, so that's how this little exploration worksheet is going today. I hope you enjoy it and just try to have some fun with it today. Thanks so much.